How to search for a comment on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can search for a comment on Reddit. For that, open any browser on your device and at the address bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to enter the official website of Reddit. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, to search for a comment, you'll find the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar, then type the keyword, and press enter to search it. You will be presented with various search results. Also, you'll find various topics under your search results. Under it, you'll also find the comment section. Click on this comments, and then there you will see the comments that are related to your keyword. You can also go to a specific community and there find the comments. At the search bar, type the keyword and press enter. There you will find all the comments that are related to your keywords under this subreddit community. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.